This 27 years old load-bearing home renovation in Indiranagar, Bangalore is in interior design stage now. I will take you through this house transformation from cramped 3-bedroom house into spacious 2-bedroom house with our structural renovation. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Siddharth, founder of Inkstone Infra, your home renovation expert in Bangalore. Let me take you through the structural renovation this house has undergone. Number 1. Master bedroom and kids bedroom extension. Number 2. Common bathroom and master bathroom creation. Number 3. Kitchen remodeling and aesthetic upgradation. The interior design theme chosen for this home renovation project is Modern Minimalistic. The interiors is getting manufactured in the factory and will be assembled here. Wardrobe with study unit will be installed here in this newly extended spacious master bedroom. A modern minimalistic TV unit will be installed here. Modular kitchen with unique color combination will be installed here in this newly renovated kitchen space. This is the newly extended kids bedroom. This is master bathroom. New sanitary fittings and plumbing fittings will be installed. This is common bathroom. Once the fittings installation and interiors assembly is complete, final coat paint will be done. So, this was about this 27 years old load-bearing home renovation. For home renovation, call us today. Inkstone Infra is your one-stop solution for home renovation in Bangalore. For updates about this project and for more videos on home renovation, bathroom renovation and interior design, please subscribe to our channel Inkstone Infra. Thank you.